Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange.
How to take backup of your sticky notes. It is very simple and very easy. First, you need to press Windows plus R. Then you need to paste this path, which is in my description box, also on my screen, and hit OK. Here you need to copy this file on a pen drive or Google Drive, wherever you want. Then restore your backup, same place, Windows and R, same path, you need to paste the file. Okay, then your sticky notes, whatever you have written on it, it will come up. Before restore your backup, you need to close your sticky note. If it is open, right click and close it, otherwise it won't allow to replace the file. In this way you try in a PC. I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.
If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.